Want to know how to create a configurable settings file for the program in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and you should be right here. So we have also created various videos regarding Cursor AI, how to use them. So let's get straight to it. You can just simply watch it on our channel. So for this video, I have this simple C# code with me right here. You can just simply select the entire code and then select quick edit right here in order to open up for quick selection or edit selection tab. So once you're there, since we are creating a configurable settings, just simply type in this. So once you have typed in this prompt, just simply select enter and it should edit out your code just like this right here. And after a while, it will generate, or you can just simply just open up the chatbot as well and do the same thing. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one. Tough for you on the